Good morning, guys. Shoulder day. Yeah, I'm gonna knock out a 10-minute shoulder workout with you that I think you're gonna really enjoy. We're gonna use some unique band setups, all right? And we're only gonna use a red band. You choose the band you want. You need orange, yellow, go for it. Some of these exercises are gonna be a little more challenging with the red band, but that's what it's all about. I wanna show you how you can get a lot of resistance out of a smaller band. All right, so let's go ahead and show you the exercises. First and foremost, we are gonna go kneeling, half kneeling pull parts. Now, I'm doubling the band. So I'm gonna wrap it around one hand and I'm gonna put my other hand through the loop. So I'm right here, about 18 inches apart. I'm using gloves today, just simply to remind you that if your hands bother you with the bands, go ahead and just grab some gloves. Any really typical exercise glove will work fine. And so what you wanna do is we're going pull aparts. Now, this is a double up band. So it's gonna be pretty challenging as we go through 45 seconds of that. If it's too challenging and you need less, flip it over top and go only a single band and go that way with it, all right? From there, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put the band down, step through it with one foot, and now I've got the loop in either hand. I'm gonna put the band right on the palm of my hand on both sides. Now, the band can stretch 6 yards. So I'm gonna bring it up to my shoulder, bring it up to my shoulder. We're doing alternating shoulder presses from here. We're only stretching the band. All right, right now we've got to stretch 2 yards. There's 3 yards, back down. There's 3 yards, or excuse me, 3 feet, 3 feet. So there's 3 feet, back down, 3 feet, all right? So that's what we're gonna do, alternating shoulder presses. Put the band behind your arms. If you want more of a challenge, push your arm between the band, split it, and now it's gonna be much more challenging. One at a time. There you go. Pressing through, all right? Once again, if the band bothers your arms, make sure you go ahead and put a shirt on so the band doesn't rub against your arm. Last exercise, we're going face pulls. We're gonna hook the band around our feet. We're gonna widen our feet out, but instead of grabbing the band closest to me, I'm gonna grab the band furthest from me. And I'm gonna go face pulls. But I'm only gonna pull to my chest. I'm not gonna pull to my forehead, all right? Because of the angle and sitting down and posture, it's safer to pull right to your chest. So right to there, just pull in there. The band again should be equal on both feet so that the tension is equal on both. So when you grab it, you are going right here, making sure, working those posterior shoulders really well. All right, you ready to go? Let's do this. All right, let me hit my clock. We're going 45 seconds on. We're going 15 seconds off. This is my shoulder workout for today, guys. So thanks for joining me. We hit that, and we are good to go. All right, it's counting down. We'll just wait for that beeper, and I am ready to go pull aparts. Remember, I showed you how to adjust. Make your decision right now. We're starting in 2, 1, let's go. Pull aparts. That's it, right there. Squeeze those shoulder blades. A couple things about pull aparts is keep your elbows pretty straight. Pull the band apart with your shoulder blades. That's real important, all right? Also, make sure you don't let the band get loose when you come back. Always keep a little tension on it as you're pulling through. Switch legs, let's go. Come on. Nice job. Keep squeezing it. That's it. That's it. Come on. Pull it apart. Great job. Very nice. The shoulder blades are starting to feel it already, and we got 3 sets of these. Not at one time now. All right. Now I'm going to drop down. Put the band down. Put my leg on it. Oops. Step it in. So now it's on the shin. Put my hand through. I'm going behind my shoulders. All right. Alternate press. There's 1. There's 2. That's it. Alternate press. You'll notice as I do this, my left arm isn't nearly as strong as my right. So sometimes what I'll do is adjust the band resistance a little bit so that there's a little less on my left than on my right. All right? Yeah, I want them both strong, but I want to make sure I can finish the movement. Now notice too, I'm pushing up and back a little bit so the band isn't rubbing on my arms. It's behind me. That's it. If you split it, then you're gonna have a little bit more band tension on your hand. That's it. Let's go face pulls. Hook it here, hook it here, grab the one furthest from you, wide hands, and let's go. Up to my chest. If you pull it to there, you'll get your shoulder blades. Just keep those elbows high. That's it. It's a very challenging exercise, guys. You're gonna feel it a lot. Now, I know we're hitting our posterior shoulders two different ways, but you know what? It's all right. It's all right. That posterior shoulder needs to be hit. I'm gonna show you another exercise you can build in on the next set if you wanna go front shoulders more. That's it, let's finish up. Come on, keep pulling. That's it. Squeeze it out. That's it, that's it. All right, back to pull parts now. Now we're gonna do power pull parts. Yeah, we're gonna add a little bit of hip extension to them. So I'm gonna go here, pull apart, here, pull apart. All right, the pull part is a lot different than the face pull from a standpoint of being able to generate power. So pull apart, power pull aparts, hinge, hit it, hinge, clean, pull apart, clean, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna change it up on you now a little bit. On the next set, we're gonna go, instead of alternating shoulder presses, we're gonna go one arm at a time. All right, so let's hit it now, come on. Finish these up. Told you, I'm gonna take it easy on the back of your shoulders on the next set. So now we're gonna step through. I'm gonna put it on my other back leg. All right, hand up, hand up. All right, now here's how you can adjust it. Drop this hand down a little bit, take a little tension off and put this hand here, and we're going one arm presses. All right, we're gonna do each arm one time, and then we're going back to pull aparts. So we're still staying on our 3-set round, but instead of hitting both arms, this time we're gonna hit just one. You wanna split it, split your hand in the middle, but that's gonna be a lot tougher if you split it in the middle. So make sure you're ready for it. Make sure that band is sitting right on the palm of your hand. Drive, that's it. Because I have my left arm down, the band tension on my right is a little less. So I can adjust. Nice job. Now, I'm gonna switch legs, put the other one back there, put this hand here, all right, hand there, starting with it behind first. This hand just sits here, locks in the band, and away we go. Up over top. Pressing it through. That's it, that's it. So many ways to get a little bit more resistance out of that red band. Time to split. I'm gonna split it now, and that's gonna be much tougher. Really gonna have to drive hard. Whew. That's it. Come on, let's finish this set. Up, lock it out. Come on, one more. This is a all shoulder. Down we come. Control, control. Whew. Don't know if I got one left. Split it to the back. Ah, nothing left. We're back to pull parts. All right, then now, you choose the option you want. I like the power pull parts, so I'm gonna go ahead and do these. But I'm gonna add a little step through. So now, just bringing my leg into it. Again, if, guys, kneeling is not your thing, just do them standing. Yeah, you don't have to go kneeling, but it offers a little different variation to a pull apart exercise. Step through. Whew. That's it. All right, come on. We're going presses next again. Shoulders are starting to get cashed. Come on, Let's stay on it. Stay with me. All right. Presses are up. Let's go. Alternating, one at a time. That's it. Keep pressing. Over top, back. Over top, back. Alternate it. Let's get these guys. And then we're finishing up with chest pulls. Alternating. Keep that band behind so it doesn't rub on my arm a lot. Back down. You know, you can go to regular presses if you need to. You can go to one arm if you need to. Nothing left. Man, I feel terrible, man. Red band is kicking my butt. All right, spread it out. Time to go. Grab that band and let's go. Shoulder, posterior, chest pulls, and we're ready to go. Keep that back nice and straight. Keep your posture up tall. Work the back of those shoulders. That's it. Left shoulder's cashing on me. That's it. Gotta keep strength up. Come on. Finish up. Woo. Shoulders are done. That's it. Thanks for torching your shoulders with me. I hope those worked out well. All you needed was a red band. Great workout. I'll see you soon for another muscle region workout. Talk to you later. Guys, I'm glad you're really enjoying these workouts, but you know what? Don't wait to get small snapshots or highlight workouts. No, there's a better way. Go ahead, click on the button below that says the band gym, and let's go ahead and put you through a tour of the band gym so you can see all the information you can get at one point. Plus, I get to coach you every single week. Click on the button below, go to the band gym, go ahead and take a tour, and then you know what? Join me. Because I want to be able to go ahead and teach you not how to do just little bits and pieces of workouts. I want to show you how to go ahead and do complete workouts, complete programs, and make sure your body is training with resistance bands the right way, the safe way, and the most effective way.